We've been watching these thunderstorms moving in from Ohio, and this one out here towards Champion got a little gusty. And zooming in here, this is what we call the velocity. It shows us how the winds are moving within the storm. Where you get these brighter colors showing up, that's an indication of some of the stronger winds, but they've lost some intensity over the last 20-30 minutes. You get these bright pulses coming in here. That's an indication of some strong thunderstorm gusts. So that's starting to back off a little bit. So I'm anticipating this severe thunderstorm warning to wrap up on time as that's approaching the state line right now up near Lawrence and Mercer County. So a lot of lightning, a lot of thunder, very heavy rain with that, and it's going to be gusty, but it looks like it's starting to lose just enough intensity where I'm anticipating that severe thunderstorm warning to wrap up before that storm crosses the state line. Now, there's a cluster of storms south of New Philadelphia towards Cambridge down towards Zanesville that's going to be moving up towards western PA as well. So we have several showers and thunderstorms that are going to be with us over the course of tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Now, most of this activity, if you're in Pittsburgh or south, is going to be well after midnight. 68 degrees, partly cloudy in the city right now. Those clouds are going to fill in here, and we're going to look at those winds to pick up a little more 10 to 15 mile per hour winds for the overnight, and then we could occasionally see a wind gust around 30 miles per hour or so outside of thunderstorms, but a couple of those might produce some 45 mile per hour gusts. 61 is the dew point, so that's starting to inch down a little bit, and will continue to do so once we get a cold front passing by the area. 68 degrees right now in Pittsburgh, still in the 80s out towards Columbus, and there is our cold front. So the cold front is pushing in. The showers and thunderstorms are just ahead of this thing, and they are going to continue to move west to east across the area. So we have these thunderstorms that are going to be around for the night as this front pushes in here. So 1 a.m., those showers are going to start to move into the Pittsburgh area. Those are going to stick with us on and off into early tomorrow morning. Then they get kicked out of town by the cold front. High pressure comes in behind that, starts to clear out the sky. So we look pretty good. Sunday night into early Monday, this is where a few clouds and a spotty shower or two might try to cross in from north to south. Nothing too big here, but that would be our next chance for showers before a pretty dry week sets up. Now I want to focus some attention down south towards the tropics again. And here's the Bahama Islands, Turks and Caicos, and this is where we find Tropical Storm Umberto, and this one is looking to pass over some of the Bahamas before kicking back out to sea. So this doesn't look like it's going to have United States impacts, but it's still one to watch. This is expected to stay tropical storm strength until it makes its turn and starts heading back out to sea stronger, and that's expected to happen early next week. So tonight, what we're going to see is 65 degrees, scattered showers and thunderstorms, some occasional wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour, and then tomorrow, after we get through that early shower, temperatures in the upper 70s, lowering humidity and spreading sunshine. You could see starting off a shower early on. By lunchtime, we dry it up and then clearing skies for the afternoon. I think it's going to be a good looking day. Some 80s Sunday and Monday. After that little front comes through early Monday, temperatures will start to fall off to the mid to upper 70s Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. And then partly cloudy skies by this time next week with highs trying to flirt with 80 again. And with those storms coming in, you can track them with the KDKA weather app. It has an interactive radar. If you download this app right now, you can watch these storms as they get closer, and it will send alerts when there's lightning or heavy rain nearby as well. Just search CBS Pittsburgh in your app store and Google Play.